just out of curiosity, we talked briefly about you may loan 100% on the acquisition. Sometimes you may only loan 70% on the acquisition.
Yep.
And maybe it's not cut and dry. It's probably not. It's probably property per property, location per location. But is there a general number that you're like, okay, if you're this far under the ARV, I would do 100% finance?
Yeah, that's a great question. So I have data on our almost 600 loans that we've done, and some are getting better deals, some are getting worse deals. But our average borrower is buying the property, I should say, at about 69% of ARV.
Got it.
And that number is not an estimated ARV; it's an actual recorded sales price.
Okay.
ARV.
Got it.
So the sales price that they do versus what they bought it for, I can track and say they're at about 69%.
Got it.
Right? So in general, I think if you're looking at properties that are about 70% of ARV, that's probably a flip opportunity.
Yes.
There's some other kind of rule of thumbs that you can use. The other one's maybe 80% of ARV minus rehab.
Yeah.
That usually always is a good deal.
Yeah.
But in general, 70% of ARV is a deal that's going to pencil to flip. And then that number brings you to your purchase price.
Okay.
And typically we're funding somewhere around 85% of that purchase price number. So my borrowers are usually coming in with 10 or 15% down, and then they have resources for the rehab money.
Gotcha. Okay, very cool.